Hello everyone, my name is Shivani Santosh Alone from FI BTech from CSE AIDS. So today's my topic is Kirchhoff's current law. Kirchhoff says that the algebraic sum of the Kirchhoff's current law states that the algebraic sum of all currents entering at any node is 0, or it is also states that the algebraic sum of current meeting at any junction in a closed loop in a electrical loop is equal to 0. That is, summation I is 0. It is also called as KCL or junction rule. So the sign convention for the Kirchhoff's current law are if it is the resistance R1 and the current I flows from negative to positive, then there is rise in current. So when the current flows from negative to positive terminal, there is rise in current. And the second is when the current flows from positive to negative terminal, then there is fall in current. So when the current flows from positive terminal to negative terminal, there is fall in current. So according to Kirchhoff's current law, the summation of incoming current is equal to the summation of outgoing current. So let's give the example of Kirchhoff's current law. So it is the junction, that is O, and the current I1 flows towards the junction, current I2 flows away from the junction, and current I3 flows towards the junction, I4 flows away from the junction, and I5 flow towards the junction O. So I1, I2, I3, I4 and I5 are the currents, and I1, I3 and I5 flows towards the junction, whereas the current I2 and I4 flows towards, so the current I2 and I4 flows away from the junction. So according to KCL, that is Kirchhoff's current law, I1 is incoming current, that is it is positive, I2 is outgoing current, so it is negative, I3 is incoming current, I4 was outgoing current, and I5 was incoming current, which is equal to 0. According to Kirchhoff's current law, the incoming currents are considered as positive and the outgoing currents are considered as negative. So I1 plus I3 plus I5 is equal to I2 plus I4. So here the incoming currents that is I1, I3 and I5, which is equal to outgoing current, that is I2 and I5. So the example of Kirchhoff's current law is determine the current I1 in a given circuit diagram using Kirchhoff's current law, that is KCL. So the circuit is given. The circuit is like this. So it is 2 ampere, 3 ampere, 5 ampere, 4 ampere and the current I1. So the given is I2 is 2 ampere, I3 is 3 ampere, I4 is 5 ampere and I5 is 4 ampere. So asked is I1 is equal to question mark. We have to calculate I1 by using Kirchhoff's current law. So from or according to KCL, the incoming currents are considered as positive. The incoming currents are I1 plus I4 are the incoming currents, and the outgoing currents are considered as negative, that is minus I2, minus I3 and minus I4, which is equal to 0. So by putting the values, I1, the value of I4 is 5 ampere, minus the value of I2 is 2 ampere, the value of I3 is 3 ampere and the value of I4 is so the value of I5 is 4 ampere. So I1 plus 5 ampere minus 2 minus 3 minus 4, that is 4 6 7 7 8 4 6 7 8 9 10 ampere equal to 0. So I1 minus plus minus minus 10 minus 5 is 5 ampere, which is equal to 0. So the current I1 is equal to 5 ampere. In this way we can calculate or find the value of I1 which is positive. So the current I1 flows towards the junction. In this way we can calculate the value of unknown currents by using KCL or Kirchhoff's current law. So thank you.